Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good old days. Yes, this is me, Omo Nuwa Isaac, Omo of Milano, aka Shopero, alias Finefo one of Italy, numero uno, number one, the champion. So, after the introduction and everything, so the reason why I want to drop this video, I want to take an encourage boy, girl, especially our youth that are eager to make money, that don't want to be patient. As I want to do this video to let us know. I normally use this book for Bible, but I am not a friend of Bible, but I'm a Christian, but I'm not a friend of Bible. I don't read Bible as much, but I listen to Bible, but I don't read Bible. According to this book for Bible, Ecclesiastic, but I don't really know the actual verse. He said there is time for everything. There is time for everything. Time. I've heard the user and say, time to born, time to delay, time to die, time to conceive, time to deliver, time to laugh, time to cry, time to cook, time to eat, time to work, time to relax. In fact, there is time for everything. But if you don't want make your time reach, and the person they over the get am wrong. This message that I'm passing now is just a short message, not too big one for our brothers. If you get money genuinely, you go eat the money without you not get problem with the money. If you don't get money, if you can't get money anyhow, you not going to enjoy the money. I don't understand. They say wetin devil give person, if devil wan collect am back, na head na dey collect. If devil give you cap, if you wan collect that cap from you, na head. So our brothers wey dey say dem dey do yahoo now, yahoo. My dear brother, wey you call dey do yahoo plus join am. The way they take dey die is too much. They no too much value their life, but their parents wey they put for problem, for pain, for everlasting pain. You know what it takes to lose a son? And but the son no go reason and say, I want to do this thing, but na my mama I want lose, so I no go see them. Okay, look at this friend, Yahoo boys now, where you all lost their life on Friday. Person you see around 5, they celebrate motor where they buy for unclean money for fraudster. Around 8 p.m. they died. The motor turned pieces. But if to say that their time, now you reach to buy that motor, they go buy more and more and more. Look at our senator, Dino Melaye. If you reach a compound, motor where he did there, you go buy am. But if to say he buy one with ritual money, you know if he buy the rest, because the money na genuine money. You don't understand? Okay, look at our brother Davido. He sweat to make your own money, he buy motor. He still dey buy on top. But if to say na ritual money, you know if that one wey he buy sef, he go kill am. But because the money wey he get na genuine. Look at Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar, Messi. They get private jet. Ibrahimovic. If to say their money not be genuine money, their money not be genuine money, na that private jet, na that one wey they buy, na go kill them. But as far as say na that one na genuine money, they buy more and more, they invest more. So me say life wey we dey live, mo will not say this one make am. I will do anything by anything, either by hook or by crook to make am. No. There is no time wey if your time reach, you go buy that motor, you go buy on top. So our brothers, our youth of nowadays, mo we take things easy. Okay, what shall it profit a man after gaining the whole world and lose your soul? Where do you think now you are going after now you don die? Now where you think una dey go now? Na only God know, but we no be judger. Na only God can judge. I don't understand. This is my short video to tell people, mo take things easy. Okay? Thank you very much.